Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, and the very next day. Yeah, that's Dragon, dude. I don't know if you went to some fancy private school, but in my public school, we'd definitely call that an atmospheric dragon. But good news, Dry Air, aka Atmospheric Defense Team, aka Prayer Warriors, aka Asteroid Fight Club, aka Super Good Luck. Dry Air is kicking the crap out of Tropical Storm ETA. So that is good news. And so I asked the best weatherman on the planet, the guy I always turn to, Cranky Weather Guy, what he thought of it. And he's like, yeah, I don't even know if there'll still be a storm tomorrow. The dry air will be kicking its ass. And man, was he correct or what? And so, we're going to watch because it's going to lollygag over the Gulf for a couple of days. But if this big battle between dry air and ETA continues, we won't have much to worry about. Mike's weather page, water vapor loop here showing that the dry air circling in from the Gulf, kind of giving ETA that subtropical look and feel. Still firing some storms to watch for, with a chance for hurricane midweek in the mid-Gulf still. So yeah, I'll be watching it. This thing definitely going to be bringing rain to large portions of Florida and flooding conditions for quite a few people, I would imagine. Right now, you're getting winds 50, 60 miles per hour. Nothing tough Floridians can't handle. Floridians and Canadians should have a battle to see who's tougher. Hey, look, lava be flowing with more volcanic activity. Antonio Vicoli at Glushkowski lava flow keeps growing while the ash plume is extended about 85 kilometers to the east. Kavert says, is that any relation to David Hasselhoff's Knight Rider car kit? There's a weird segue. And so, yeah, we're watching ETA do its thing, and hopefully Cranky's right, and the dry air eats it alive. But then we will have another area to watch that models are agreeing on will probably cause some problems coming out of the Caribbean around Thanksgiving. And then we're going to start to get into wet and wild and wacky season for the Pacific Northwest, including Canada, Washington, Oregon, and parts of California. And so there is ETA, and this is just the GFS. But it definitely looks like the dry air is winning the big battles. And then we will have our next storm coming out of the Gulf, probably around, Thanksgiving. And so we'll have to watch what that thing does, which is what we'll do. I've been giving you guys comprehensive hurricane coverage all year, and I'll continue to do so. Yeah, so right now, the dry air and wind shear is definitely winning the battle. So you prepare for the worst and pray for the best. And so we're getting close to our prayers coming true. So that is good news, because the last thing we need is more problems. 2020 has been, quite a year in my mind, and as Planetary Defense Commander. It's been a pretty interesting go, but we've been pretty lucky, not counting you, Louisiana, for hurricanes, and I'm grateful for that. And I know Cajuns are tough. There's no need for them to compete. They don't have to prove anything. Yeah, but I'm just saying, some models are still suggesting it could get to Cat 4, could get to Cat 3, could even get to Cat 1. So I will continue to watch it, and, usually if I let my guard down, and things get crazy again, so I'm trying not to let my guard down. I'm trying not to fear-monger anybody. And, I never want to do that. But these days, everybody seems emotionally sensitive one way or another. Yeah, it's been a rough year. It's been a weird year. It's been a wild year. So what are your favorite Christmas songs? I'm only saying that because we're going to have snow and ice blowing across the map in the Pac Northwest and then up into the, Wisconsin, Michigan areas as you have the fire and ice battle happening across the planet. Well, technically USA, lower 48. It's almost like that dry air has a mind of its own and is trying to protect us. That's cool, dude. More protection, more defense. Sounds like just what the doctor ordered. So I'm not letting my guard down, but we're definitely watching it. And this situation right now seems to be favorable for the people. And I promise I'll hop back on and kick you in the keister if I change my opinion on this thing. But it's quite an event, Just because it's a dragon doesn't mean it's going to kill you. Some dragons are nice. But, Floridans are correct. It doesn't look like at this point it could change, but that Florida's going to get hit by a hurricane this year. So kudos and congrats to you. Montana residents, on the other hand, will probably be getting hit with a couple blizzards this year. They woke up to severe driving conditions on Sunday morning after Mother Nature decided to abruptly change seasons for what felt like summer to conditions more typical of the heart of winter. San Juan Gulf gas station looking more like Gulf of Mexico. So, super shout out to Dry Air. You are our friend. But yeah, this thing's probably going to bring a whole lot of rain. And so, everybody stay cool. You're probably going to get wet. And, just be ready. November may calm down and it may get wild. Let's take it day by day, shall we? Hey, y'all. Remember when QAnon was like, trust the plan? That's hilarious. Anyway, shout out to all landscapers out there. Landscapers are cool. Seriously. It's a real job. It's real work, and everybody appreciates it. All right. I love y'all. Talk to y'all soon. Have a fantastic Sunday. God bless everyone. Merry Christmas. Happy Thanksgiving. Kick-ass Kwanzaa. Happy Hanukkah. And let's have a great New Year. Peace out.